Hi, Crafty Friends. It's Scrapping Sylvia. How's everyone doing today? Today, I'm super excited, guys, because my daughter came over. We had dinner together, and then she said, Mom, guess what? I have two diamond paintings that she got me for Christmas. So, this is one of them, and this one's called Wolf Dreamcatcher by Sunniva Myster. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing her first name correctly. I hope I am. This one's a round. You can tell because it has a circle and also it's pink. Okay, and it always comes. Diamond Art Club always comes in a very pretty box. It's a little shiny. It says "Scan me, unlock for 10%," and then in the back it tells you how it works and what's inside the kit. And like I mentioned, this one is super special to me because it comes from my beautiful daughter. Okay, and the wolf is actually, she says that her wolf is her spirit animal. And when she was a little girl, I wanted to share this very quickly. She made this sun catcher. There you go. Isn't it gorgeous? Yeah. So I have it in my scrap room or my craft room. Okay. So, and Dreamcatcher, for those that the Dreamcatchers were originally made by North Americans, and it is believed that the hoop and the web form is meant to protect sleepers from bad dreams by catching them and while letting the good dreams pass through. So, okay, so I actually opened this one because she bought it for me for Christmas. So I had to open it. So, all right. So I already opened this, as you can see, but it comes with two stickers. This is the small one. All right, so you can either put this in the logbook or on the bottom or on the top of the box. Okay, here's the kit. That's the toolkit. So it comes with resealable bags. It comes with a very, very pretty cover minder. It's a pretty flower. It comes with the tray. It comes with a diamond pen. It's just in black, and it comes with the grip, the pencil grip. It's supposed to help with your fingers, your hand, for comfort. And then it comes with two placers and very pretty washi tape. It's got little flowers. Love the colors on this, by the way. And it comes with a heart-shaped container with two waxes in there. And by the way, I love this wax. All right, and of course the resealable bags. So let's put this aside. All right, yeah, the Diamond Art Club paintings always come in a plastic bag which says Diamond Art Club, do what makes you sparkle. I say do what makes you happy. Yep. Okay. So let's put that aside. The drills are in here. And anything else? Nope. Okay. So we've got the thank you for your purchase. It basically tells you what's inside the kit, tips and tricks, step-by-step instructions, and download our app and start creating your masterpiece today. Put that aside. And then this is the big sticker. So remember, it comes with two stickers. So it says Wolf Dreamcatcher by Sunniva Myster. You write down the start date, the end date, has a little bit more information on the bottom, and it has the pre-cut stickers for your containers. Okay. And Sunniva Myster, by the way, the artist, she is a young Norwegian illustrator and designer, and she loves to paint people, animals, also landscapes and fantasies. Okay, and she's got, I believe, 7 paintings at Diamond Art Club. One of them is Time, and another one is Erase. And she has a couple of others that are called Wolf, but I can't remember. But anyway, these are the drills. Okay, so it tells you, it has a sticker, and it tells you it's Wolf Dreamcatcher. So just in case you separate this from your painting, you'll know that these belong to this painting. All right, the canvas, of course, from Diamond Art Club is very, very smooth like butter because it's made from a heavy-duty waterproof tarpaulin fabric for extra strength. All right, so when we open this baby up, always has a picture in the bottom. It tells you that it's from Diamond Art Club, Wolf Dreamcatcher. This is 16.5 inches by 23.6 inches, which is 42 centimeters by 60 centimeters, okay? Sunniva Myster, Diamond Art Club. And then in the middle, when it tells you, you can find them on Facebook, Instagram, and then over here is the lifetime warranty. So it basically has a 30-day money-back guarantee, free diamond spill insurance, and a 10% cashback rewards with every order. which is very nice. And it also comes with 2 legends. Okay, so it has one on the bottom on the right hand side, and the other one is on the top of the left hand side. This one is actually a perfect size, guys. Really, really nice. I love this. So we can roll this canvas, because remember, we can. Okay, just to make it flatter. Remember, it's been traveling. All right. Okay, look at this beautiful wolf, guys. Oh my gosh, and the colors. All right, so very quickly, let me just tell you a little bit about the legend for those that are beginners. Okay, I hope there's no glare. The legend basically tells you how many colors there are in the painting. So it's telling you it has 32 colors. And then in the middle are the symbols. And the symbols are what you find in the painting. And then, of course, the DMC code. All right. And then always, always on the top, it tells you, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. Okay, guys, look at this beautiful wolf. If you can see, look at the eyes. It has like piercing eyes, which I love. And then look at the colors. It's got blues, it's got greens, and it's got browns. All these colors are they're vibrant, they connect, and they are very, very regal. And the details, it's just amazing. I'm going to bring it up so you can see it. And I could think this is a special drill, guys. Yep. Oh my gosh. So, let's see. Super sticky. And let me bring it up so you can see how clear it is. Can you see that? It's gorgeous, guys. Okay, those are the arrows. It's got some arrows that he has on his back. And of course, oh my gosh, the background. I don't know if those are mountains. Let me look at the picture. Yeah, actually, it looks like there's mountains in the background. And then you have like some light coming down. And then you have, the wolf has like some paintwork here. Some artwork on the side of his face. And then he's got like a huge diamond, I think. I don't know, some kind of diamond in the middle. And of course, let's not forget those beautiful eyes. And what is the wolf holding in his mouth? The Dreamcatcher. Yep. And it's got feathers. It's just absolutely stunning, guys. Okay, let me bring up the beautiful wolf so you can see the eyes. Look at those eyes. He means business. Yep. And then look at these blues and greens. I love it. See that? All right. Just perfect. This is 32 colors. All right, so let's look at the drills. So let's move it over here for now. All right. Let's bring out the colors. Let's open this baby up. Oh my gosh, I could see the special drills. There goes the special drills, guys. See that? Like yellow or gold. All right, so let me just bring these out and then I'll be back. Okay, let us begin. 300 is mahogany, very dark. Let's bring this over here so you can see it better. 301 is mahogany, medium. Is that in the picture? Yeah, I think so. 310, got 2 packets of 310, and that's black. 317 is pewter gray. And 318 is steel gray light. 402 is mahogany, very light. 414 is steel gray, dark. 415 is pearl gray. Very little of this one. 445 is lemon light. 597 is turquoise. It's a pretty blue. 640 is beige gray, very dark. And 644 is beige gray, medium. Can you guys see? I don't know. I'm trying to bring the light a little closer over here. Okay. So 739 is tan, ultra, very light. 742 is Tangerine Light. Very, very little of that one. $7.79 is Cocoa Dark. $8.03 is Baby Blue Ultra Dark. Ultra Very Dark. And then $8.23 is Navy Blue Dark. $8.38 is Beige Brown Very Dark. $8.39 is Beige Brown Dark. So you got very dark and then dark. And $8.41 is also Beige Brown but light. And $9.38 is Coffee Brown Ultra Dark. And then we have $30.23, and this one is Brown Gray Medium. That's a pretty gray. $33.71. We got two of these. This one is Black Brown. Almost finished, guys. This one is 30. No, wait, am I missing one? Oh, here it is. I didn't put these in order. Sorry about that. $37.60 is Wedgwood Medium. Love this color. $37.76 is Mahogany Light. $37.99 is Pewter Gray Very Dark. Okay. And then this one is $38.60. And $38.60, actually, wait. $38.14 is Aquamarine. Very pretty. $38.60 is Cocoa. And $38.61 is Cocoa Light. That's it, guys. I told you it's not a lot of colors. This one, remember, has only 32 colors. All right, so let's move this aside. And it has 2 ABs and special drill. So this is a special drill. See that? Okay. And then the 2 ABs, one is blue, 138. It's a very pretty blue. And 141 looks like it's white. All right, so let's go back to the beautiful painting. And let's see where these beautiful ABs go. Okay, so we know that these are going to go around. You see that? Those are the special drills. And then this one, 138, if you look at the legend, it says that's going to be symbol F. So wherever you see an F, not too many, but I can see it all on the sun catcher, all around the sun catcher. So that's going to be beautiful because that means that the sun catcher is going to be very, very shiny. Okay, and then this one is 141, and that this is going to be symbol 1. And it looks like, let's see, let's bring this down so we can see this over here. I see 1 all here. I think that's the part of the hair, the wolf hair. And then, of course, on the makeup. See that? It's all over here. It's all over here. It's around the arrow. And some up here in the arrow. And over here, back here. So there's a lot of that one. So it's going to look absolutely gorgeous. If you wanted to add more ABs or more crystals or more sparklers, where would you add them? I think, I don't know. I feel like it needs, it has here number 1 actually in his eyes. But I don't know. I feel like I need those piercing eyes to glow. Oh, maybe glow in the dark. And then you a diamond here. And I know Tmall sells those bigger ones now. So, yeah. Why not, right? You gotta try it. All right, so I absolutely love this one, guys. And of course, like I mentioned before, it is super, super, super special because it's a gift from my beautiful daughter. All right, so I hope you've enjoyed it, and I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye, and thank you very much.